The following graph gives information about bananas. According to the picture, I can see many bananas and a banana tree. Or, from the picture, a red truck delivers the bananas, each 12 to doubt. Moreover, many bananas are picked and transported. Lit acts in the trolley. Lastly, there are many bananas in a trolley. In folks if it's continue 12 to you to summitfangt, the graph tells about bananas. The following graph gives information about a private swimming pool. According to the picture, I can see many trees and some coconuts. From the picture, many wine bottles are on the side of the swimming pool. Moreover, some houses with red roofs are found. Lastly, there is clear water in the swimming pool. To sum up, the graph tells about a private swimming pool. The graph gives information about water cycle. According to the picture, I can see evaporation of water from the ocean, which is the first step. From the graph, there is condensation by absorbing water vapor as the second step. Moreover, the third step is precipitation. Lastly, water flows down the mountain into the soil. To sum up, the graph tells about water cycle. The following graph gives information about Riverside Scenery. According to the picture, I can see some houses and a river. From the picture, some boats and a blue sky are found. Moreover, flowers and clothes are colourful. Lastly, there are many walls painted in different colours. To sum up, the graph tells about Riverside Scenery. The following graph gives information about a corner shop. According to the picture, I can see an old man and some food. Antique Pool Corner Shop and Sai. From the picture, there are a table and some chairs. And Spid Jumper in a Capel Skills. Moreover, a door and some windows are also in the picture and Skilled Sit, ECPM. Lastly, 2 menus have burger, pie and pint on them. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.